Tesla vehicles are designed to keep you and your data safe. Our privacy protections go beyond the standard. So when you get behind the wheel, you're in control of the information you share. By default, the data generated by your driving is not linked to you, unless a safety event is detected. Even though you can monitor your vehicle's location in the Tesla app, Tesla cannot. Sometimes, Tesla will review anonymous data from the fleet to continuously improve safety and performance. While your vehicle may be one of those data points, Tesla cannot tell which vehicle data is yours. We designed Sentry Mode and Dashcam for you and only you. The cameras will only record if you opt in, and the recordings are saved in your vehicle, not on Tesla's servers. You get to decide what data you share and when. If you decide to share, you can do so knowing that your data is not linked to you or your vehicle, and that Tesla will not sell your data to anyone for any reason. You can update your preferences, request a copy of your data, or review Tesla's privacy notice anytime on your vehicle's touchscreen or in your Tesla account. Because your data belongs to you.